Bluetooth display screen and app connection tutorial. Part 1. Installing the display screen. First, fix the display screen on the car handle, or fixed on a certain plane. After fixing it, start connecting the power cord of the display screen. Red is the positive electrode. Black is the negative electrode. Voltage support, 8 to 90 volts. Suggest connecting the red power cord to the rear of the door lock. Black connected to BMS output negative pole. Part 2. App connection tutorial. Open the Joxia app. Enter your account password to log in. Select display screen. The Bluetooth display screen to be connected can be seen at the bottom. If there are multiple display screens, it is necessary to verify whether the Bluetooth IP is consistent with the display screen. After verification, click on the link. At this time, the Bluetooth display status is not connected to the battery. Click to connect the battery that needs to be connected now. Or click to scan the battery QR code and connect the battery. At this point, the battery connection is successful. The battery data is also displayed on the screen. Part 3. Screen interface description. This is the Bluetooth connection indicator light. This is an alarm indicator light. This is the SOC display area. This is the charging and discharging current display area. This is a fault indicator light. This is a temperature alarm indication. This is the temperature display area of the protective board. This is the power display area. In addition, press and hold the physical button on the side for 10 seconds to repair the Bluetooth display screen and BMS protection board. Short press to turn on or off the display screen. The above is a tutorial on installing Bluetooth display screens and binding apps. If you have any questions, please consult the official customer service and after-sales service.